Hi, I'm Brian Poole and I'm the Cloud Services Principal here at CDW. I've been here for 7 years and my role is to help customers solve business challenges and realise the potential of cloud solutions.
Lillie, Head of Cloud Service Operations at CDW, been with the business 18 years. I'm responsible for the day-to-day running of our ServiceWorks platform.
So Chris, can you tell us a bit more about ServiceWorks?
So ServiceWorks is CDW's delivered cloud platform, allows our customers to consume IT resources on an OpEx basis, scalable according to their business needs. It's a suite of products consisting of compute, backup, disaster recovery, desktop and co-location.
So why would customers, from your opinion, want this service?
It puts the burden of IT onto CDW, allows the customers to focus on their day job, what they do as a business. The problems of hardware renewals, software updates, keeping the lights on effectively becomes CDW's problem. And it also allows the IT assets to scale with according to the customer. For example, if they acquire another business, it's a phone call to us to scale up the infrastructure instead of a long procurement cycle for the customer.
And what would you say are the primary benefits?
Reliability, flexibility. We've got a plethora of industry recognised leaders running these platforms.
I think one of the biggest business outcomes with ServiceWorks is that it gives them a predictable cost model that is not just predictable, but it's flexible as well. You know, they can scale this up and scale it down when they choose to.
If a customer's outsourcing to us, that's great, but also if a customer's moving their IT eventually into public cloud, we're a great platform for them to transform their workloads and realise the benefits of the public cloud. So, Brian, when customers approach you with an IT problem to solve, what typically are the reasons for starting that conversation?
They've got legacy equipment, which may be coming up for a hardware renewal at some point. They could have aging equipment that is going out of support. They could have software issues or line of business applications are challenging the equipment they're using. And typically the sorts of things we're seeing lead into a conversation about managing ongoing costs and having that continual hardware refresh that customers won't have to manage anymore if they go to a hosted platform, and that's exactly what ServiceWorks does for them.
There's an onboarding project where there'll be a consultant aligned and they effectively become an SME for that customer. And quite often there'll be follow-up activities weeks, months, even years after, where those consultants maintain a relationship with the customer and almost provide ongoing guidance to those customers as they get to know them.
And that's alongside the service support that we provide as well, with the service delivery management teams, continual service improvement, the subject matter experts, the solutions practice that we offer here as well, which again is free at the point of use, to help guide them into their future shape or structure of their systems. So Chris, ServiceWorks has been around since 2012. Can you tell us more about the journey that ServiceWorks has been on so far?
As you know, IT is a continually changing landscape. We continually evaluate the platform and make sure it's current with modern IT standards. We're actually in the process of kicking off the project to build Generation 5 of the platform, working with our vendors to make sure we've got the latest, scalable, reliable, service provider grade technology.
Thanks for your time today, Chris. It's been great getting that operational view.
No problem, thank you.
And thank you for joining our conversation today on CDW ServiceWorks.
Thanks everybody.